Today, we're taking a closer look at the expected exterior design of the 2026 Nio ET9 in a stunning half-white color finish. This is a car that defines the future of intelligent luxury sedans. An elegant blend of minimalist design, advanced aerodynamics, and cutting-edge EV technology. At first glance, the Nio ET9 commands attention with its futuristic yet refined stance. The half-white color finish creates a perfect balance between sophistication and modernity, reflecting light in a way that enhances every contour of the car's sculpted body. The upper section shimmers in a soft pearl white tone, while the lower half transitions smoothly into a subtle metallic shade, creating a unique gradient effect that makes the ET9 stand out on any road. This dual-tone finish isn't just stylish, it embodies Nio's philosophy of merging artistry with innovation. The front fascia of the ET9 introduces an evolved